Boom, 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 boom.
It's been such a long time since I set foot in the club. I really hate this shit, I hate feeling rushed. Girl, can I just be honest? I don't feel like talking unless it's about me or philosophy. Can we just get down to business, and when we're both finished, then we'll have a reason to.
Oh my god, dude, I fucking came up here, I spun around and I'm like, oh fuck, about to get up, the fucking bars fell on my head. Ah!
Let me feel your knees, girl. Open up to me, open up to me.
No, he Alright. Go. I think I can get it. It's still up. It's still. Hey, take one before I get this out.
The piano that I fuck you on, same one that on which I write these songs for you. I one and the same, that goes for us too. I give you my name. The bed on which I lay to sleep and lay with you and lay in deep. There ain't no difference, this case there isn't. That goes for us too. I know it.
No one's there. Go, go.
Sometimes it feels right. I don't really care. One day you'll see what in the
Fuck Halloween.